Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to my channel. My name is Khadi and today I have an awesome video for you guys. So basically we are going to promote our affiliate link using Pinterest. So this is very exciting. Let's just start and go through the process. So as you can see now, we have a ClickBank open. So this is one of the affiliate networks that you can use to promote your affiliate links. So if you don't have ClickBank account, you can create one. It doesn't take long, guys. So and ClickBank normally accept a lot of countries. So like for me, I didn't even struggle at all just to open the account. So if you don't have the account, just don't waste time, just open it. So for now, let me just log in and I'll see you just now. Cool, I've logged into the account. So this is what you're going to see once you've logged in. This is the ClickBank landing page, right? So but what we are most interested in is where we can get this product that we need to promote. So you need to go to affiliate marketplace, select on the affiliate marketplace menu option. Once you've selected the menu option, then it will bring you to this world where you can just select the product that you want. You can search for it. You can even select the topic, the one that you want to promote. Like for example, for self-help, these are the products that are available within this niche. So the different niche that you can promote. But for me, because I know which product that I want to promote, I will just say keto bread. This offers a recipe book. So but before anything else, before you promote a product, you need to understand the product. So I would suggest that to select on the affiliate page. So this will take you to the sales page. So just read through the sales page. If you feel like this is a good product to promote, then you can select it. Right, I've already created a YouTube video for this product, right? So basically what we are going to do, we are going to use YouTube as our landing page. So normally you will have a blog, you can even use your website as a landing page, but in this instance I will use YouTube, and my affiliate link is already added to my video. I'll show you now. So okay, cool. The next step, you need to get the affiliate link. You can just select on promote. You can copy your affiliate link and make sure that you paste it somewhere so that you can use it for later. And okay, you have your affiliate link. What we need to do now, we need to design the pin. You just go to Canva. This is the Canva, and I'm using a free version. So but you can use the paid one. It's up to you. So just select Pinterest pin, and it will bring out the empty canvas. So for us, we don't need a complicated design. So if you can see, there are quite a number of templates that you can choose from. But for us, we can just select, I think, let's go with this one. Change it a bit. So what you have to, so the picture's added to the pin. What you have to do now, we just have to say download, or you can just download it to Pinterest. I've already linked my account with Pinterest already, but I just want to go step by step so I can just show you because now I'm also using YouTube, right? So that's fine. We have our pin sorted out. So the next step that we need to look at now is go to Pinterest and add the details. We are now on Pinterest. So if you don't have a Pinterest account, just create an account. Doesn't take long, guys. So what you need to do, just make sure that you have a business account. If you don't have an account, just create it. It doesn't take long. So basically you'll go to settings, and just set your account. You write the name and make sure that you put the details about your company and on everything that is required here, right? Create pin and select the pin that we worked on. So it will be this one, and just to add, I've already created this board, so this is just for this video, right? I have a YouTube video that I've already done previously, so, and I've already embedded the affiliate link to that YouTube video. So we'll go to the YouTube video just now, but just wanna add your title. You can so I will prepare a different video where I'll just explain on how to select a nice title and on how does Pinterest SEO work. So for now, I'll just show you how you can just add your link to Pinterest, but there will be a separate video for this. Once you've done that, guys, the most important part, you need to add your link. So the reason that I've used YouTube is, so Pinterest works as the other platforms, right? It does not allow you to embed the affiliate links directly to the platform. So otherwise your account will be banned, right? So you actually need a landing page. You can have a landing page in a form of a blog, or you can have a landing page in a form of a website. So in this instance, I'm using YouTube in a way as my landing page. So I'll show you the video that I've done. So this is the video that I've done for keto bread. So what I'll do, I'll just copy the YouTube. So you can see this is not affiliate link, so it's basically my YouTube link, but inside the YouTube link I have included the affiliate link. So once the customer select this affiliate link, then they will be directed to the sales page. So this is my video. So basically this is the link that I was telling you about. I have included the link on my description section. So once a potential customer select on the link, then it will take them to the sales page and they can proceed to read through, and if they're interested they can buy, right? They can purchase. So that's another way of using YouTube as a landing page. So just to go back to the video, you just copy the link, go to your Pinterest account and paste it here. So you copy the YouTube link and paste it. So what are we doing here? We are using YouTube as a landing page. We are not using a blog, we are also not using our website, but we are using YouTube. So once you are done with that, you can publish it. So I won't publish it because I already done that. This for illustration purposes for this video. So that's it for today, guys. So hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I did. So basically what we did, just to recap, so we had selected our affiliate link using ClickBank, in this case our affiliate network. We created our pin. So once you have your pin, then you need to upload the pin on Pinterest. Thanks for joining my channel, and hope to see you again in the next video where we share awesome tips on how to promote your affiliate link and how to make money online. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and until we meet each other again. Thanks, guys. Cheers.